Introducing the Bit Vault, a micro carry case that's far from ordinary. Existing keychain pillboxes are almost always cylinders. We get it. They're easy to make and cheap to produce. But they don't fit well with your keys. And they're either too small to hold anything or too big to carry around. Our first insight was to flatten the canister so it nests on your keychain, but still has the internal space to carry a wide range of small objects. The cap-mounted tray helps you access and organize your items. Dual magnetic hex bit sockets transform the Bit Vault into a small yet powerful screwdriver. Just carry the bits you need and you're always ready. A custom gasket seals the Bit Vault tight, and quick-release clips lock the lid in place. We design the container, but you make it the product you want. Just clip it and you're ready for your next adventure.
This is a clip and carry Kydex sheets for the Gerber dimes. Each are handmade in the US, have one point of retention so that you can loosen it or tighten the way it's held. Instead of carrying your dime around with your keys hanging off it, getting in the way when you use your tool, snap it in, locked and loaded, ready to go.
This is the GDC Money Clip. It holds your cash, up to 5 cards, and a 1.75-inch fine-edge stainless steel blade. At just 3.6 total inches, the Money Clip fits easily into your pocket. When you need the blade, just grab the ring, release the lock, and pull. The thumb notch ensures a solid hold that won't budge. After you're done, the blade snaps back into the super sturdy steel sheath shielded by a G10 composite plate. This is function, utility, and style in your pocket. This is the GDC Money Clip.
This is the GDC Zip Blade, part of the new Gerber Daily Carry collection. With the GDC Zip Blade, you'll always have a cutting tool nearby. It features a lightweight, durable, fine-edge utility blade and includes a frame lock for safety. It can be attached to your jacket or your pack, and there's a clip for quick release. This is the GDC Zip Blade.
One of the most unique flashlights around, this 1000 lumen light goes beyond your standard everyday carry torch with the inclusion of a 90-degree adjustable angle head. With the MT21C, you can use it like a straightforward flashlight for searching and inspecting, or easily adjust the head all the way to an L angle for directed lighting in even the hardest to reach corners. Equipped with a Cree XPL HD V6 LED set in a smooth reflector, you'll have the right amount of light for any task with 5 brightness settings up to 1000 lumens maximum output. And with 202 yards of throw, you'll easily illuminate objects both near and far. Constructed from aero-grade aluminum, the MT21C body is compact at 5.16 inches and uses a standard 1-inch body tube. It can comfortably be carried in your pocket or with the included holster, pocket clip, or lanyard, so you'll never be without your light. The real fun behind this flashlight, though, is the adjustable head, which has 5 evenly spaced detents to position the head at precisely the right angle and converts the MT21C into an angled work light. A removable hanging loop and flat magnetic tail cap add even more possibilities for hands-free use. The MT21C is incredibly simple to operate via an all-in-one control switch located near where your thumb would naturally rest on the grip. To turn on the flashlight, press and hold the button and the light will turn on to ultra low. From here you can tap the button to cycle to low, mid, high, and turbo outputs. When you're ready to turn off the light, press and hold the button again. There are also 3 special modes which come in handy for emergencies. With the flashlight on or off, triple press the button to enter strobe. Tap the button again to cycle to beacon and SOS. Press and hold the button again to exit special modes. Here's a look at the MT21C beam shots. From ultra low at 1 lumen up to 1000 lumen turbo, upon installation, a power indicator light under the control switch will blink to report your battery voltage, so you won't be caught without power.